Hello friends, stop scrolling. These rice flakes sweet balls are soft, sweet and ready with just a few simple ingredients. Lightly rinse the rice flakes and drain well. Let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes until soft. Pour in the milk a little at a time while mixing. Add the brown sugar, desiccated coconut, melted butter, raisins, orange or lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes so the rice flakes absorbs the milk. Shape the mixture into small balls. If the mixture is too wet, add a little more desiccated coconut or extra rice flakes. If it's too dry, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk. Chill the rice flakes balls in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes before serving for the best texture. These sweet rice flakes balls are soft, fragrant with citrus zest and delicious with juicy raisins in every bite. Enjoy!